Hey everyone, imagine standing on a frozen lake, feeling the crisp winter air, and knowing that just beneath your feet, there's a world teeming with fish waiting for your hook. Ice fishing is an exhilarating way to embrace the cold season, but to do it right, you need the right gear, tips, and a few secrets. Stick around because I'll be sharing a game-changing tip at the end that can triple your catch. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my fishing and outdoor tips. Let's get into it. First things first, gear. Ice fishing is not like regular fishing. You need some specialized equipment to stay safe, warm, and successful out there. Let's break it down. Number one on the list, the ice auger. This is your essential tool for drilling through the ice. They come in various types: manual, gas, propane, and battery-powered. Hand augers are great for beginners, but if you're serious about ice fishing, invest in a battery-powered auger. It'll save you loads of time and energy. Next up, your rod and reel setup. Ice fishing rods are short, usually about 36 inches long. Pair it with an ultralight reel that has a smooth drag, which is crucial in cold conditions. Pro tip: use braided line with a fluorocarbon leader. It won't freeze as fast and keeps your bait looking natural. Now let's talk bait and lures. Live bait like waxworms, minnows, and mealworms are always effective. For lures, jigs and spoons in bright colors work wonders in dark waters. And here's a hot tip: glow-in-the-dark jigs are fantastic when fishing in deep or murky ice water. Don't forget your shelter and clothing. A portable pop-up shelter can be a lifesaver against the cold. Dress in layers: a thermal base, a fleece mid-layer, and a waterproof outer layer. Insulated boots and hand warmers are a must because cold feet can end your fun real quick. Now that we've covered the gear, let's talk about setting up and finding fish. Choosing the right spot is key. Look for drop-offs, underwater structures, or weed beds. Using a fish finder or sonar can help you locate fish activity. And here's a pro tip: ask locals or check fishing reports for the best spots before you head out. When you're ready to drill, spread out your setup by drilling multiple holes. Use tip-ups for passive fishing while you jig for active fishing. Check the depth by dropping your lure until it touches the bottom. Then reel up 12 inches to find the perfect strike zone. Alright, you're all set up. Now let's get those fish biting. For attracting fish, use a slow up and down jigging motion. Adding scent attractants can help with sluggish fish. Remember, small movements are often more effective. Too much action can scare them away. And of course, staying safe on the ice is crucial. Make sure the ice is at least 4 inches thick for walking and 8+ inches for snowmobiles. Always carry ice picks and a rope for emergencies. And never fish alone. Let someone know where you are. Ready for my game-changing tip? The best way to triple your chances of catching fish is to change lures every 15-20 minutes if you're not getting bites. Fish respond to different colors and movements, so don't be afraid to experiment. Did you learn something new today? Let me know your biggest ice fishing question in the comments below. And hey, if you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your fishing buddies. See you next time.